For thousands of years, humans have believed that ancient civilizations were primitive. They are often portrayed as simple societies with limited knowledge and crude tools. But when we look closer at the evidence left behind, a very different picture emerges. Across the world, ancient civilizations created technologies so advanced that even today, modern science struggles to fully explain how they were achieved. These technologies were built without electricity, without modern machines, and without digital calculations. Yet many of them still function, still stand, and still outperform modern equivalents. This documentary explores some of the most mysterious ancient technologies that continue to puzzle engineers, historians, and scientists. The Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza was built more than 4,500 years ago in ancient Egypt. It was constructed using over 2.3 million stone blocks. Each block weighs between 2 and 80 tons. These stones were quarried from distant locations and transported across desert terrain. There were no cranes, no steel tools, no wheeled vehicles capable of carrying such weight. The most astonishing detail is the precision. The stones are fitted so tightly that even today, a thin blade cannot slide between them. The pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal directions of the Earth. Its base is level to within a few centimeters across its entire length. Modern engineers can recreate this accuracy only with laser instruments and advanced surveying tools. Yet the ancient Egyptians achieved it using methods that are still debated today. How this level of engineering was possible remains one of the greatest mysteries of human history. Puma Punku high in the Andes Mountains of Bolivia lies the ancient site of Puma Punku. The stone blocks found here appear to have been cut by machines. They feature perfectly straight edges, sharp angles, and complex interlocking shapes. Some stones weigh more than 100 tons. The precision of these stones is so high that modern stonemasons struggle to reproduce similar results even with power tools. There is no evidence of metal cutting tools at Puma Punku. There are no signs of large construction machines. The stones fit together like a puzzle, suggesting advanced planning and measurement. Despite decades of research, no definitive explanation exists for how this site was constructed. The Antikythera Mechanism. In 1901, a shipwreck was discovered off the coast of Greece. Inside it, archaeologists found a corroded bronze object unlike anything seen before. This object is now known as the Antikythera Mechanism. It dates back more than 2,000 years. After careful study, scientists discovered that it contained dozens of interlocking gears. These gears were capable of predicting solar eclipses, lunar cycles, and planetary movements. The Antikythera Mechanism is considered the world's first analog computer. What shocks historians is that no similar device appeared again for more than 1,000 years. It suggests that ancient Greek engineers possessed advanced astronomical and mechanical knowledge that was later lost. Roman concrete. The Roman Empire constructed massive structures that still stand today. Aqueducts, temples, and harbors remain intact after nearly 2,000 years. The secret lies in Roman concrete. Unlike modern concrete, Roman concrete becomes stronger over time. Scientists discovered that Roman builders mixed volcanic ash with lime and seawater. This chemical reaction created crystals that reinforced the concrete as it aged. Modern concrete often deteriorates within decades. Roman concrete has survived earthquakes, storms, and constant exposure to water. Despite modern research, the Romans' full concrete formula has never been completely replicated. Machu Picchu was built by the Inca civilization high in the mountains of Peru. The city sits directly on a major earthquake fault line. Despite this, Machu Picchu has survived centuries of seismic activity. The secret lies in its stone construction. The stones are cut to fit together without mortar. During an earthquake, the stones move slightly and then settle back into place. This design absorbs seismic energy rather than resisting it. Modern earthquake-resistant buildings use similar principles, yet the Incas developed this method without formal scientific theory. The Iron Pillar of Delhi. In India stands an iron pillar over 1,600 years old. Remarkably, it has not rusted. Despite exposure to rain, heat, and pollution, the pillar remains largely corrosion-free. Modern iron structures require protective coatings to prevent rust. The iron pillar does not. Scientists believe the ancient metallurgists used a unique combination of iron purity and phosphorus content. However, the exact technique remains unclear. This suggests a level of metallurgical knowledge far ahead of its time. The Baghdad Battery. Near Baghdad, archaeologists discovered clay jars containing metal rods and copper cylinders. These objects date back nearly 2,000 years. When reconstructed, they function like simple batteries. They can generate a small electrical current. No written records explain their purpose. Some researchers believe they were used for electroplating metals. If true, this would mean ancient civilizations understood electricity long before modern science officially discovered it. Ancient maps. One of the most controversial artifacts is the Piri Reis map. Created in the 16th century, it depicts coastlines with surprising accuracy. Most shocking is the inclusion of Antarctica, shown without ice. Antarctica was officially discovered centuries later. How ancient mapmakers obtained this information remains unexplained. Some believe the map was copied from much older sources that no longer exist. A lost chapter of human knowledge. These technologies suggest that ancient civilizations were far more advanced than commonly believed. They possessed knowledge that may have been lost due to wars, disasters, and the collapse of societies. History is not always a straight line of progress. Civilizations rise. They peak. And sometimes their greatest knowledge disappears with them. The technologies we struggle to explain today may be remnants of forgotten brilliance. Ancient technologies challenge our understanding of human history. They force us to question what we truly know about the past. Perhaps ancient humans were not less intelligent, only different. Perhaps knowledge is fragile, and perhaps the greatest mysteries of humanity are not in the future, but buried deep in our past.